Hello friends, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/c/Paridhi and I promise to bring something valuable in front of you every time. Well, today I have come up with a topic called squares and I do call it smart squares. Why? Because I'll make you calculate square of any number within just 2 seconds right in your brain. If you watch my video, you'll be able to do this. These smart tricks would help you to calculate the squares of any number without even pen and paper, and that too very quickly in your brain. Now, before we talk about how to calculate a square, let's understand what do you call a square of a number. Square means multiplying any number with itself. Let's say a number is A, and if I multiply A along with A, it gives me A square. Watch this video till end and you will get how to square any number within a fraction of a moment by knowing the technique explained in this video. What is the prerequisite to learn this technique? That is, you just have to know squares of 1 to 30 on tip of your tongue. Let's remember the squares of 1 to 30 together. Smart trick 1 is the base method, where base is 50 and we have 3 simple steps to follow. Let's say example is 49 square. Step 1 is to find difference of a number from base, and base is 50. So here 50 minus 49 is 1. Remember 1. Now add or subtract this difference from 25. That's my step 2. If a number is less than 50, subtract 49 is less than 50, so 25 minus difference is 1, which is 24. 24 makes first part of my answer. Now, square the difference. Difference is 1, which we have found in step 1. Square it. It will give you 1. Write in 2 digits and write 0, 1. That is second part of my answer. So 2401 is the answer for 49 square. Now second question is 51 square. Again follow the same steps. Difference from base 51 minus 50, that's 1. Step 2, 25 plus or minus difference. Now 49 square, while finding 49 square, 49 was less than 50, so we subtracted difference from 25 and we did 25 minus 1, that was 24. But over here 51 is more than 50, so we are going to add the difference in 25. So we'll make 25 plus 1, that is 26, and that will make first part of my answer. Now when we talk of step 3, we have to square the difference. And as step 1 gives me the difference, and that is 1, I have to square 1. It gives me 1, but this I have to write in 2 digits. So 0, 1. So I'll club 26 and 0, 1. So my answer would be 2601. Once again, let's try out 46 square. 46 is 4 less than 50, and as it is 4 less, I have to subtract 4 from 25, that's 21. That's my first part of the answer. Step 3 is difference square, that is 4 square, which is 16. It is already of 2 digits. This is the second part of the answer. So 2116 is the answer. Next question is 56 square. Now 56, 6 more than 50. As it is more than 50, I have to add the difference. That is 25 plus 6, 31, which is first part of my answer. Now difference is 6. 6 square is 36, which is the next part of my answer. So 3136 is the complete answer. 64 square. Now 64 is 14 more than 50. So as it is more, add 14 in 25. So it gives me 39, which is first part of my answer. Difference is square, that is 14 square 196, which is going to make the second part of my answer. But remember, the second part would be having only and only 2 digits. So I have 3 digits which I have to convert into 2. So now 196, I have to preserve last 2 digits, that is 96, and 1 must be carried forward. So 39 plus 1 makes 40 and 96 makes the second part. So 4096 becomes my answer. Similarly, if I want to square 38, 38 is 12 less than 50. As it is less, I have to subtract the difference from 25, that is 25 minus 12 is 13, which contributes into the first part of my answer. Now difference is 12, so I have to square it, and 12 square is 144. So this 144 contributes in the second part of my answer. Now as we know, as second part would be of only 2 digits, if it is less, I add 0, and if it is more, I make carry forward. So 144, I'll preserve 44 and 1 would be carried forward. So 13 plus 1 makes 14 and 44 is remaining of 144. So my answer would be 1444. Now let's understand 74 square, which is 24 more than 50. Add 24 and 25, that's 49, and 24 square is 576. Now as it has to be only of 2 digit, 5 is carried forward, 49 plus 5 is 54, and 76 is preserved. So 5476 is the answer. Smart trick 2 is also a base method, but here the base is different than the previous method. Previously base was 50 and over here the base is 100. We have to follow the same kind of, or I guess similar kind of simple 3 steps in this matrix too. Now let's take an example, that is 99 square. Now 99 is 1 away from 100, that is step 1 is to find the difference from 100. So I have to find difference of 99 from 100, that is 100 minus 99 is equals to 1. Now step 2 is of plus or minus difference. In smart trick 1, we did 50 plus or minus difference. But in this smart trick 2, where we take base of 100, we would plus or subtract the difference from number itself. So my step 2 would be number itself, whichever is the given number, plus or minus difference. Now remember, if the number is less than 100, I would subtract the difference, and if number is greater than 100, I would add the difference. Now the given number is 99, which is 1 less than 100 as shown in the step 1. So I have to make 99 minus 1, that is 98, and 98 makes first part of my answer. Now step 3 is again the same as of previous matrix. Step 3 talks about the square of the difference. Difference is 1 here. Square of 1 is 1, but I have to write in 2 digits. So I would write 0, 1. This would make last part of my answer. So my answer finally becomes 9801, that is the 99 square. Now let's say 107 square. 107 is 7 more than 100. So this is the difference, which is 7. I have to add this difference inside the number itself, that is 107 plus 7 becomes 114, which is first part of my answer. Now the difference is 7, so step 3 talks about square of the difference and write in 2 digits, that is 7 square 49, which is already in 2 digits, which makes second part of my answer. So 11449 is the answer for 107 square. Now let's talk about 84 square. Now as per step 1, if I find difference of 84 from 100, it is 16. 84 is 16 less than 100. Now as 84 is less than 100, as per step 2, I have to subtract the difference from the number itself. So 84 minus 16 becomes 68. And this 68 is first part of my answer. I hope this much is clear. Now, third step talks about square of the difference. Difference over here is 16. 16 square is 256. And now step 3 talks about that we have to square the difference and write in 2 digits. Now this 256 is of 3 digits. Definitely it contributes in my second part, but I have to keep only last 2 digits of it as it is, and I have to make 2 carry forward. So it is 7056. My answer is 7056, which is 84 square. I hope this is clear. Now 114 square. Now after looking to 114, you must be worried that this number is very big. But just follow the same procedure. Now this 114 is 14 more than 100. So I have to add this inside the number itself, that is 114 plus 14 makes 128, and 128 is first part of my answer. Now as the difference is 14, the square is 196, this contributes, 196 contributes in second part of my answer. But as third step has only 2 digits in its hand, so 196 I can't write, I have to carry 1 over 128. So my answer becomes 12996. Now let's apply what we have learned till now. Well, 61 square. Identify which trick. Trick we would use is 50 base. That is my trick 1. So 61 is 11 greater than 50. So my difference from the base, and base over here is 50, is 11. Now what I have to do is I have to add 11 in 25. So 25 plus 11 makes 36. 36 becomes first part of my answer. And now difference square, that is 11 square, becomes 121. That makes the second part of my answer. Now as third step contributes only 2 digits, that is last 2 digits of the answer. So 1 of 121 must be carried forward to 36. So 36 plus 1 becomes 37. 3721 should be my answer. "47 square." And you have 3 seconds to answer the question. And time is up. Got the answer or not? If you have not got the answer, focus. -3 is difference from 50. So 25 minus 3, 22, first part of my answer, and 3 is my difference, 09 is my second part of the answer. So 2209 is the answer. "123 square." You again have 3 seconds to answer the question. 3, 2, 1. And time is completely up. Got the answer? If not, focus on the screen. Now 123 is 23 more than 100, so I have to add the same in 123, the number itself, which gives me 146. 146 makes the first part of answer. And then 23 is the difference, so 23 square is 529, which contributes in the second part of the answer. Now I can have only 2 digits from the third step, so 5 is carried forward, 15129 is the answer. Smart trick 2 is the base over here. I hope you have got that idea. Now let's talk about 149 square. Again you have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time is again up. Did you get the answer? If not, again focus. 100 plus 49. So 49 is the difference. Added 49 in number itself. 149 plus 49 gives me 198. 49 square is 2401, which is second part of my answer. Now 24 is carried forward. So 22201 is my answer. Now, quite possibly, you people might have got confusion that first step I got very quickly, that's fine. Second step I got quickly, that is also fine, but your confusion rolls around third step. How did I calculate 49 square, that is 2401, so quickly? So, because of the practice, I have a lot of practice about this particular method. Now 49 square is 1 away from 50, so I have to minus 1 from 25, which gives me 24, which is first two numbers, first two digits of my square, and then difference is 1, so it gives me 0, 1, I would put it back. So this way I get 2401 and I did the entire sum. $191 square. Calculate. Time is up. Now focus. It is 91 more than 100. Add 91 in 191. Gives me 282. 282 is first part of my answer. Third step is 91 square. 91 square, how do I calculate so fast? It is 8281. Then focus. 91 is 9 less than 100. Subtract 9, which gives me 82. 9 square is 81, so it gives me 8281. Now 81 of 8281 remains the same and 82 is carried forward over 282. So it gives me 364. So 364 81 is the answer. Now it is the testing time. Try yourself. Take pen, paper and jot down your answers. I am giving you 3 seconds per question. You are going to have 30 seconds for answering all the 10 questions. Remember, getting correct answer is good, but what we need is getting the correct answer in very less time. So please follow the time limit religiously. I am very sure most of you might have got correct answers. If you have not, please repeat the concepts by watching the video again and again. I am very sure you have got the logic. If you have not got the answers in given time, that clearly means that you need to increase your speed. You need to practice this method more and more. You can repeat this video till you can get the answer in just 3 seconds, that too without pen or paper. Practice with this video for 7 days without missing a single day. On 8th day, you would be calculating these squares in just 3 seconds only. Trust me. Smart trick 3. Again, a very amazing and very interesting trick. Let's say 1005 square. I want to calculate this square in just 2 seconds. If you want to learn this, then please wait for my next video. I would upload the next video once I get at least 500 likes on this video. So keep liking my video and keep sharing my video if you have really liked my concepts, if you have really liked the squares that I have taught to you. It was really nice talking to you. I'm very happy to talk to you this time, and thank you so very much for a very good response which you every time give to me. Thank you.